What's up, guys? This is Karuzu from Karuzu's Gaming and Reactions, and I'm back with another video. This time I'm going to be reacting to Abbott and Costello Handcuffs. This suggestion comes from Michael Garina. Thank you, Michael. I appreciate it. This is for you, buddy. Let's get into it. 3, 2, 1, let's get it.
I'm really taking you in. Listen, if you don't stop fighting me, I'm going to put the handcuffs on you.
Cut out, Mike.
I'll put the handcuffs on you.
Well, put them out, but
All right, I will.
Thing here.
All right, put out your arms. Put them out.
You gonna put the handcuffs
Yes,
on like
I'm
that?
going to put them just like that.
Hey, Mike, you put the handcuffs on me like that, you know what would happen?
What would happen?
That's a foolish policeman.
What are you talking
You put
about?
the handcuffs on me like that, I say to you, bend over like that. When you bend over, I go clunk, I hit you on the head, and scoop by Mike.
Oh, a tough guy, huh? Well, I'll show you how we handle tough guys. When we get a guy that does a thing like that, we make them put their hands behind their backs, and we put the handcuffs on them behind their backs. Watch this. I'll show you. You see that? All right, put the other one on me, will you? Put the other one on me. I'm showing you something.
Well, you're gonna have to be a...
All right. All right.
How's that, you got it?
All right. Now let me see me do something.
You can't do nothing?
Now let me see me do something.
Go on, ask me to do something. Ask me to get tough.
Go ahead, get tough.
I can't get tough.
Hey, that's a pretty good idea, Mike. I mean, if you do it that way...
Yeah, if you'd listen to me, you'd learn some things, Costello.
I think you're right.
You bet.
I like that idea very much.
That's right. I can't do a thing. I'm helpless.
Hey.
No, can't do a thing.
How you gonna get out?
Oh, here, the key.
Huh?
The key. The key's on my belt there. Costello, the key's on my belt. Unlock the handcuffs and let me out. I just showed you something.
I see the key on your belt. Can you get the key?
Will you please get the key and unlock the handcuffs? Come on.
Of course, I mean, if you can you get it?
Of course I can't get it.
Why can't you get the key?
Because my hands are handcuffed behind me. I just told you that. Now get it. Get the
That
key.
guy's hilarious.
Get the key, unlock it. Will you get the key, cut? Oh, you.
I can't do that.
Oh, you true. Hello?
Keep your mouth shut on it, yeah. Have it.
You patient!
Costello, do it up. Oh my God.
Oh, I did it! Get that key and get me out! Policeman.
You big dope! Why don't I go up and get Abbott and bring him down and show him how I handcuff you?
Oh, I'm sorry. I was showing the boys how to put handcuffs behind it. Take the key and unlock them, will you? The key is right on my belt there. Oh, wait till I get him. Oh, thanks a lot, Hillary.
Here's the key.
Oh, thanks very much.
Oh, you
that's
finna get him.
wonderful. Oh, wait till I get that Costello.
All right. Hey, he's a policeman. Biggest scoop you ever saw.
He's careful.
I'm not afraid of him.
You're not alive.
Shut up.
Come on, get
I ain't afraid of him.
What'd you say, Costello? Did you say he was what? What did you say he was? Wait a minute.
You gotta get Abbott to stop.
Yeah.
Everybody needs an accomplice.
What's that? Come on, what's that?
Go on, slap me, Abbott. Go on, slap me.
I thought he was handcuffed.
He is handcuffed.
My turn.
All
They're all going to jail.
A lot of fun. Yeah.
What's the matter? I'm leaving. You don't have to be afraid of me.
Oh, don't be.
I don't know the handcuff like that. What are you going to cover something out of your house? What a
don't see it though. He's in front of me.
Hey, that boy, Mike. Hey, Abbott.
He keeps on saying, "Hey, man." Hilarious. That was hilarious, man. I completely love that. That's totally funny. Oh my God. Just good toilet humor. I mean, stuff like that, comedy like that don't really exist anymore. Everybody's got the sharp tongue, but that stuff was so far ahead of its time. Man, I know I say that all the time, but it's the truth. Man, I love Abbott and Costello, man. Thank you, Michael, for another great suggestion. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you. And if you like my reaction to this video, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and share. I'm Caruso from Caruso's Gaming Reactions, and we'll see all of you guys in the next video.